Quality in an organization is critical. Quality in the just-in-time system is just as critical. With that in mind, we've shared about zero quality control, a strategy developed by Dr. Shigeo Shingo, and the just-in-time system in other videos. So, how do you ensure ZQC and quality in general are improving in your organization? One measurement that is critical in implementing zero quality control is to reach zero defects. That's right, absolutely zero defects all the way through an organization. In other words, we want to have zero defects when delivering to customers at every step in the process, not just at final inspection. Tracking the number of defects can be tricky, but will help you reveal abnormalities that may be hindering your organization on many different levels. As you begin to track defect rates in your organization, you will find many opportunities to implement mistake or error proofing, change processes to address the root cause of defects, change methods of work, and drive continuous improvement into the heart of every activity. Make no mistake, if you're implementing just-in-time or any other strategy, you will want to track defect rates. Now, let's finish with a question. Why do you think tracking defects is important? And how would it help your organization to improve? We look forward to hearing your answers in the upcoming assignment section, community, comments, or in general discussion, and we'll see you in the next module.